Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the My Heart Had Wings error code 0x00000039. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes after players start the game. The game launches fine, but after playing for a few minutes, this error message appears on the screen. It does not crash the game but interrupts the gameplay with the error. According to our research, this error is most likely related to the system locale settings or some temporary glitch with the game. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device. Once restarted, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try changing your system locale to Japanese, Japan. If you are on Windows 10, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Then open Control Panel and go to the upper right corner where it says View By and change it to large or small icons. Next, click Region, then go to the Administrative tab and under the second box for Language for Non-Unicode Programs, select Change System Locale. Then change your current system locale to Japanese, Japan and press OK. Then restart your PC and check for the error again. At last, if you still get the error after changing the locale and restarting your PC, then the issue may not have a reliable fix yet. In this case, you may have to wait for further updates or patches from the developers. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.